Aeronautics developed lately Orbiter 4, which is a mini UAS which can fly 24 hours, able to carry 2 payloads simultaneously, can fly to a distance of line of sight up to 250 kilometers, and we can accommodate satellite communication and to reach beyond line of sight. This is the most advanced UAS with double redundancy. So it's replaced basically the big UAVs that fly high. We don't need an airstrip, and we can fly even in GPS denied area. First of all, I would like to mention that our UAV, our UAS, and among them Orbiter 3, is designed to provide secured mission, which means it's not only to design UAV. It's difficult to design UAS, unmanned aerial system, that can provide secured mission, anti-cyber attack, to withstand against anti-cyber attack, to withstand jamming, and to withstand GPS spoofing and jamming. So the name of the game is to conduct the secured mission and not only to fly the bird. This event is very important for us because we believe the Spanish market is one of our strategic markets. We believe that Spain will grow in the unmanned, as the Secretary of Defense mentioned lately, that he believed that all this remotely operated system will go and become big quantities. So we believe that Spain is going to be a very growing market. That's the reason why we are here, and we are partnering with Aicox, local company that we are teaming together in order to provide the Spanish MOD very good product with local maintenance, development, and services.